Mechanical sanders are essential tools in any woodworking shop. SALA has a variety of different sanding tools. You should select the sander that generates the results you want to achieve. Sanders are used to clean up rough cuts and to smooth surfaces. There are 5 sanders located in the basement of LaSerre. 4 are in the main shop area and are available whenever the woodshop is fully open. The 5th sander is located in the assembly area adjacent to the main woodshop. It can be used at all hours. Be sure to turn on the dust collector when using the sanders, and always turn it off when you are done. Shop hours are posted on the workshop door. They can also be found on the SALA Making and Building website. Wood and plastic are the only materials allowed for use on the sanders. If you are sanding plastics, be sure to wear a respiratory mask. This will protect your lungs from harmful particulates. You will need to wear eye and ear protection when using the sanders. You will also need something to secure longer hair, a pencil and notebook with a plan for sanding, and the material you want to cut. Review your plans for sanding with the shop monitor before you start using the sanders. Make sure all loose items on your person are securely fastened, the work area is clear, and your eye and ear protection are on before you start the sander. Before you begin, remove any paint or written marks that may be on the material you are sanding. Never use the mechanical sanders on glue-covered material. Friction from the sander will melt the glue. Melted glue will ruin the belt and potentially grab the workpiece. The sander is an excellent tool for cleaning up rough cuts made on the bandsaw, slightly shortening the length of your material, and sanding to a specific angle on an object. The following safety instructions are extremely important. Never sand a piece of material that is smaller than the gap between the sanding surface and the support platform. The piece could fall in, leaving your hands vulnerable to burns. To keep the material from burning, be sure to sand the material against the grain. Never move the material perpendicular to the belt rotation, as you may lose control of the material. To prevent friction burns, never place your hands too close to the belt. You can only sand using the left side of the disc sander. For the large horizontal sander, hold the material firmly to avoid loss of control. As a courtesy to your classmates and shop monitors, be sure to tidy up after you use the sanders. This includes sweeping both the floor and machine. For more in-depth training on best practices for using this or other machines, please talk to the shop monitor and refer to other tutorial videos.